problem states that a ray of light traveling in the direction half of I cap plus root over 3 of j cap is incident on a plane mirror. After reflection, it travels along the direction half of I cap minus root over 3 of j cap. We have to find out the angle of incidence. 4 options are given: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 75 degree. So first of all, we have to understand what is the direction of incident light and the reflected light. In order to do so, let us first draw the two axes. This is our x-axis or I cap axis, and this is our y-axis or j cap axis. It is given that the light is traveling along the direction half of I cap plus root over 3 of j cap, and it is the incident light's direction. So let us assume this much part indicates half, positive half, and this much part indicates root over 3 divided by 2. Why root over 3 divided by 2 and why half? Because this part is actually half of I cap plus root over 3 divided by 2 of j cap. Hence we are taking the x part or the I cap part of this expression as plus half and the j cap part of this path of incident light as root 3 by 2. Hence from these two we can easily evaluate the direction of incident light, and that is in this direction. Now what is the direction of the reflected light? That is actually half of I cap minus root 3 divided by 2 of j cap. This is the expression. Let us assume this is minus of root over 3 divided by 2. Hence the direction of reflected light will be this. Now see, this is the direction of incident light and this is the direction of reflected light. But from this diagram, is it ever possible that if the direction of incident light is this, then the direction of reflected light is this? It is never possible. If this is the direction of reflected light, then the incident light must be coming from somewhere like this. So the actual path of incident light will be in this direction. So now this is our incident light and this is the reflected light. Since this much part is half and this much part is minus of root 3 divided by 2, hence we can also say that this much part is minus of root 3 by 2 and this much part is minus of half. Why minus? Because in this case we are taking the negative x-axis as well as the negative y-axis. So both the x component and the y component will be negative. So in this case, this plane is playing the role of the plane mirror. And this is the angle of incidence, say it is theta. So from this diagram we can very easily say that tan of theta is equal to minus of half divided by minus of root 3 by 2, which can be evaluated as 1 by root over 3. So we get that tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So theta is equal to 30 degree. Hence option A is the solution of this problem.